know when a company is considering hiring you, they will likely make a decision based on your credit record? This is Larry Bodine, Editor-in-Chief of Lawyers.com, saying you better know your rights because you can be denied a job because of an old unpaid bill. Pre-employment credit checks make sense if the job involves handling cash or company trade secrets, but in many cases it's just the company snooping because they can. More than half of all employers conduct credit checks on job applicants, supposedly checking your character, judgment, and reliability. But the reality is that anybody can have legitimate credit trouble because of a medical emergency, the death of a spouse, or a bad divorce. None of these situations should rule you out from getting a job. Employers are known to use credit checks to discriminate, especially against minorities and women. Some employers actually seek out people with bad credit, hoping that they'll be so desperate that they'll keep working no matter how bad the job is. So what happens if you face this situation? If an employer runs your credit history without your written permission, they've broken the law under the Fair Credit Reporting Act. Also, be aware that 10 states have outlawed the use of your credit history in employment decisions. Check with a local attorney to find out the law in your state. 4 kinds of information will be viewed negatively in the hiring process: a court judgment against you, active accounts in debt collection, bankruptcy, and high debt compared to your income. If it's possible, clean up the black marks in your credit record. Otherwise, you can tell Human Resources in advance that you've been through a bad time financially. It shows that you're being honest. The employer has to tell you in writing if they deny you a job because of a credit report. And they have to tell you the name of the agency that issued the report. If you think it's a smokescreen to discriminate against you, you should talk to an employment lawyer who represents workers. This is Larry Bodine reporting for Lawyers.com, hoping that you get treated fairly in your job search.